Hi there, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Joseph, and my channel is Learning Creative Video. The whole idea behind this channel is to document my journey in filming and editing videos. Everything from vlogging, B-rolls, and cinematics. I invite you to follow me on my journey and possibly learn with me. I'm starting with minimal equipment, a cheap smartphone, Sony Handcam, and a knockoff GoPro. For my education, I will be getting some of my education from some of my favorite YouTubers, such as Jevin Dovey, Daniel Sculfer, and Learn Online Video, and along with the crew of Think Media. For editing, I'm starting with CyberLink Power Director, version 325 trial. Move AVI trial version. I will be filming everything from general vlogs, do-it-yourself videos, family fun times, which there's probably going to be a lot of, and a lot of other cool stuff. In spring, if I'm good by then, I'll be filming and editing my dad's and sister's fishing videos. The Ventures on the Cheap. So join me in my journey and like and subscribe for future videos. And if you like what you see, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. Until next time, I'm wishing you well and looking forward to your comments and suggestions. Keep them cameras rolling and get out there and tell your story.